Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what's in the gummy and the dose per piece, because the how affects the why. Read the label, note milligrams and active ingredients. Once done, set a target bedtime. Take the gummy 30 to 60 minutes before that time so the effect lines up with your natural sleep drive. Start low, 0. 5 to 3 mg or 1 gummy, then track nights. Make sure to avoid alcohol and heavy caffeine. These interfere with absorption and blunt effects. You build a simple pre-sleep routine because context strengthens results. Once done with the initial dose, dim lights and cut screens for 20 to 30 minutes. That visual cue works with the gummy. Make it a consistent nightly habit, taking it at the same time for at least 1 week to evaluate effectiveness. Track side effects like morning grogginess or vivid dreams, and note daytime energy. If you're on medications, double-check interactions before continuing. Safety matters as much as timing. You complete the process by evaluating and adjusting. This is where fine-tuning happens. After 7 to 14 nights, review your sleep log. If latency hasn't improved, increase the dose gradually, but stay within the product label and consult your clinician if uncertain. If you experience excessive drowsiness or impaired coordination, reduce the dose or skip a night. Avoid combining with sedatives. One key troubleshooting tip. If you get
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.